got two kinds of people. You got producers and consumers. The children of Israel was consumers because they saw milk and honey, what they could consume. But Joshua and Caleb was wise. They had insight. They could see process. They saw cows and bees because they saw what they can produce. And when you understand the cow, that the milk is what you have for consumption, but the real byproduct of what they produce that makes it enriched is the poop, the waste. That which is what people waste time. I've wasted my energy. I wasted my money. But your failure is fertilization for your future. And so that creates greener grass, which creates more high quality milk. And so people don't understand process. Perfect example of that was that a man had took waste and he made it a $1 billion company, waste management. Where people was thrown away, he took municipalities and consolidated in the industry. And so people wanted to see how the boss humbled himself. He was the first one who made the reality show big because he was this $1 billion boss of waste management, went out and felt and got with it down in the waste with his employees. And that was the fertilization for his future.